In an unexpected turn of events in the state's political scenario, the 5 remaining MLAs of the Indian National Congress in the state, that include CLP leader AMPAREEN LYNGDOH, MLAs MAYRALBORN SYIEM, PT SAWKMIE, KIMFA MARBANIANG and MOHENDRO RAPSANG, had unanimously decided to join hands with the MDA by officially lending their unconditional support to the NPP-led government. Addressing the media after the meeting with Meghalaya Chief Minister, the CLP leader AMPAREEN LYNGDOH informed that a letter of support to the MDA had been submitted through the Chief Minister during a meeting held earlier today. On the reason to such a move by the Congress MLAs, LYNGDOH informed that everything had been done keeping in mind the welfare of the people of each MLA's constituency.
Doesn't matter, double standard, triple standard, who is straight in this politics of this generation? Can you tell? If you can tell me that everybody is straight, then we shall also be straight. Now, if everybody is crooked, what can you do? Look, let me tell you one thing. You may interpret it the way you want to, but no politics has been clear in the state for quite some time now. We were ditched. Did anybody take any action? No. They left it to us, the 5, to decide on what to do. What nonsense is this? So we are saving the 5 of us. We are protecting each other's interests, because it looks like if we don't do it, then we're in trouble anyway. You interpret it the way you want to, we've decided. We are not saving anyone, we are saving ourselves. In this day and age, in politics, you can only save yourselves. We are 5 of us, we are protecting each other's interests.
Ma'am, lastly, the INC have they approved this?
I have no idea as to who has to approve. We have gotten the seal from the public. Public has supported us and made us win in a Congress ticket. We are congressmen. You cannot take us for granted.